Oh, okay. One last question. What companies do you use? Very good. What
Okay.
insurance companies do you use? Okay, great.
Yeah, all the companies. Now, again, obviously, I mean, if you do the policy, you'll get the policy through us. But if you're working with us, you're going to work with one of a few companies. And I'll tell you who they are. You can write them down. These are all companies that are mutual companies, meaning they're mutually owned. They're not stock companies, meaning that you own the contract. It's a mutual company. So what that means is you share in the profits, you share in the dividends. So anyway, the one company is called American United Life, sometimes referred to as One America, ONE America. So anyway, they're headquartered in Indianapolis, Indiana. If you've ever been downtown Indianapolis, you see all these high-rise buildings. It says One America. There's another company called Lafayette Life. Lafayette Life is located in Cincinnati, Ohio. There's another company called Penn Mutual, Penn, Penn Mutual. And then there's another company called Mass Mutual, MASS, Mass Mutual. They're all great companies. I'm not married to any of those companies. They're all mutual companies. They've all been paying dividends for over 100 plus consecutive years. Chances are, as you're getting policies, you may get policies with more than one of those companies. Yes, you can own more than one policy with a company, but you may get policies with additional companies as well. But those are the companies that you're going to mostly use. I see a question. How about Guardian? Yeah, Guardian. I mean, I've just never applied to write at Guardian. The only thing I'm not crazy about with Guardian is a direct recognition company. A direct recognition company. And the difference between direct recognition and non-direct is if you have policy loans, your dividends are going to be affected by having a policy loan. Okay. So if you have a Guardian policy, you may want to not take a loan from the general fund of the insurance company. You may want to put that policy up for collateral. But yeah, I mean, Guardian's a policy. I saw something about New York Life. Again, it's all about the concept. Or I'll tell you another thing you guys could do. You could also go Google the 10 best companies for the infinite banking concept. Now, does that mean they're the 10 best? I mean, I don't know, but I mean, I don't write with every single company that's out there. The companies I write with is enough. They all provide great service. They give us, right. All right. They give us the things that we need for our clients, because sometimes we have clients that are health challenged. Sometimes we have clients that are older. And then some companies work better with kids, depending on what state you live in. For example, if you live in New York, you can't write a policy with every company. So there's different ways and there's different reasons of why you may want to go with one over the other. But I currently don't write with Guardian. I currently don't write with New York Life. Does it mean I'll never, write with them? No, it's kind of like buying a car. I got a Ford and a Chevy. Does that mean I'll never buy a Nissan or a Toyota? No. I have a boat. I have a Boston Whaler and a Cobalt. Does that mean I'll never buy a Grady White or a Nautic Star or a Crown Line? No. I mean, I'm not saying one's better than the other, but the main thing is the tools that we provide. If I thought Guardian was a more exceptional company to write with, or New York Life was a more exceptional company to write with, then I may be writing with them. I will tell you, I own policies with all the companies that I write with. I love the company American United Life. It's called One America. They're very customer service oriented. And also, you got to remember too, you got to look at the back end of things and what does the company charge you to take a loan on the policy? Do they even promote and support the infinite banking concept? Do they allow you to take a loan immediately? I'll give you an example. Northwestern Mutual. Northwestern Mutual is a great company. They won't allow you to design your policy where you have immediate cash value. Whenever you take a loan from Northwestern Mutual, you're at 8% instead of 5%. So those are reasons. Maybe a direct recognition company is not right for you. Now, I'm not saying direct recognition is bad. Please don't take that I'm saying that is bad. It's just you got to know what's going on in the policy, right? You got to know what's going on and how are you going to use it. All right. So those are all questions that I can ask you, that you can ask when we get on a strategy call. You're more than welcome to reach out to me and we can do a strategy call, or reach out to John. We could do a 3-way strategy call, however you guys want to do it. But yeah, I hope that answered the question on the companies.
Okay, awesome. Thanks very much, Brent.
All right. Are there other questions?
Anyone else? We've got a couple minutes left. We're really at good time here.
Okay. Are there any in the chat box? I see there's some in the chat box, but I can't see what they are. I just see them as they show up on the screen and then they immediately go away.
Oh yeah, I just wrote some notes here.
Oh, okay.
American Life, Lafayette. That's the one I have. One America is one I have my policies with, and they're great. They have a simple website. Everything is electronic. It couldn't be any easier, which is great.
Okay, I thought I saw something on there. I just saw the word tax advisor. Was there a question on tax?
Let me see.
Or maybe you put that in. I don't know. I thought I saw the word tax advisor come across my screen.
Well, I don't see it. I don't know. Not on our screen.
Okay, all right. No problem. Maybe I got another window open up or something. I just want to make sure I've answered all of your questions. So that's all. I just want to, as long as we've answered everything everybody asked, and again, I'm happy to answer more. I'm happy to do individual calls with you guys if you want to get more into your personal situation and how it'll work. So again, John, I'm here to serve you and your listeners.
Yeah, fantastic. Everybody has my calendar link on there. Schedule some time. We can get Brent on the line. We could do a call. It'd be great. He's awesome. And, we're here to serve you.